In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix slow downloading speed in Google Chrome here on your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the button search bar here and type for panel. Once you've typed that, wait until you will be able to see a best match here in this window before we can proceed. Okay, so once it's here, it states here control panel system. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the right side of that where you can see a list of the option. Okay, please wait until it would be appearing here. Once here, please click on open to continue. Now, once you have bring up the control panel, you need to change the view into like this, where here you need to navigate to the upper right side, go with view by and click on the large icons. Once set, you need to navigate with internet options, which is in my case, it is being placed here at the fourth column next to ease of access center. So please click on it. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to bring up this small window called Internet Properties, where here you need to navigate with the option called Connections here. And there you can see LAN settings. Click on this one. And here, under the automatic configuration, you need to make sure that this box, which is automatically detect settings, is checked. Okay, so once you have ensured that it is being enabled or checked, click on OK and then close the window. The second step that you need to do is that here at the button search bar, you need to type for CMD. Once you have typed it, a command prompt system would appear. Here, you need to go with Run as Administrator. So click on it, and in a few seconds, you would be receiving a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes. Click on yes so that you can continue on running the system. So from here, you need to type a two commands, and that is first, you need to type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Again, it is ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, and then hit the enter key. And the moment it states here, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, proceed on typing for netsh space winsock space reset. Okay, so it is netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit the enter key in your keyboard. And once you have successfully reset the Winsock catalog, before you will restart your computer, you need to close this window first and then proceed to your Google Chrome. The moment you do it, you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and eventually scroll down and look for settings, which has the gear icon. So eventually you would be able to open a new tab, which actually your Chrome settings. So please wait until it would be ready for you. Once ready, please navigate to the left pane of that. You can see there privacy and security, which has the shield icon. Click on it and eventually you can see this one. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the option which is called the third party cookies. So click on this one. The moment you click on it, you will be able to see this kind of window. Please proceed with advanced, and there you can see send a donut track request with your browsing traffic. So you can see there a switched option aligning to it. If you, in your case, it is being offed, okay, you need to turn it on. So click on confirm, and the moment you have turned it on, close the window, then navigate to the start, okay, and here you need to restart your computer. So by that, proceed to the power menu options and click on restart. You may wonder why we need to restart. We need to restart the computer in order to make any changes, in order to in order the actions to take an effect, restart your computer. The moment you've restarted it, or the moment you will relaunch your computer again, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.